Thank you for visiting with us at Third Realm. Third Realm for us is a way of life. At Third Realm, we have such a passion for the stock market. It doesn't matter if it's stocks, options, futures, currencies, commodities, treasury notes. At Third Realm, we understand how the market works. And we are so convinced that we can show you how the market works to your total satisfaction that we do give you a 110% money back guarantee. Today in this video, I want to talk to you about the euro dollar. This is a 1597 tick chart, which means between each lines here, that's a day, not a day, not a day. We can now look at this and see how far this euro dollar went up, how much the euro just pushed up. We can see that now. That's after the fact. After the fact, everybody can see it. Question is how could I know back here that the possibility was here? Now, we use 4 elements. We use mind over matter, and to us that is key. The ability to do business with the market strictly for technicals and not because of emotions, the fear of losing, greed, and so on. The first element is mind over matter. Second element is the structure of the pattern, the price action. The next element is the retracements or extensions, Fibonacci's. There's an indicator that I think is so great, so grand, yet very few people know how to use it. Intraday. Very few people know how to use it intraday, or even in a longer time frame. The other indicators we use is a MACD. Now this MACD is correlated into 7 different time frames. So by having it in 7 different time frames, it really sets things up as for us to see what can happen the next few minutes, what can happen the next 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and days. Right now, what I've done is really compress this chart to give you an overall picture. At TRI, we consider ourselves technicians and not traders. Understanding how the market moves systematically is of most importance to us. Now, if we're using a software that calculates everything for us, that's great. So all that calculation is done for you, and now if the mind over matter is there, if there's no fears, and you just respond according to what the software is telling you, you've learned how to interpret the communication of the market through the software, that's fantastic. And we are looking forward in the near future to have a software like that. Right now, what we have is TradeStation, it's our graphics, and you know what? It makes us thousands of dollars every single day. Now, trading the market without knowing what you're doing, it really involves a high risk. Better than, I know some people say 90% of the people out there that day trade, they lose money. But they do this because of lack of understanding. Or even if they have the understanding as to how the market moves, from a technical point of view, the emotions, the idea that says, I knew I should buy here, but what if it doesn't work out? And boom, the market takes off and they're not in it. Trading the market strictly for technicals, that is something that I believe that every single human being that it's in a market should engage in. Mind over matter, it's key. Again, that's our belief at TRI. And to us, it has proven to be so. So now, let's say this is July 1st, or I believe July 1st, July 2nd, right around here. And I'm looking at this, and do I see an opportunity? First of all, a breakout through here, it is a lot of thousands of dollars. So a breakout through here, it would give me the distance from here up as from here to here. The next thing is to time it, because I don't want to buy over here and then have the market pull me all the way down to here and then have all kinds of drawdown on my account. I don't want to do that. I want to time it in the edge. Is there a way to time it in the edge? Using your retracements and knowing how to use them, it is key. See, a lot of folks use them right from the tip to the tip. They don't give you the same picture. Using the way you use your Fibonacci's intraday or even long time, it is important that you really know where to place them. Now, over here, this is what we call this green line and yellow line are very key. I have heard some people say, but how do you know which line? Sometimes it breaks right through. That's where the timing of what we call the MACDs, we call them the power of direction, timing them, looking at them, they will tell you where is it this line, or this line. And they will tell you, and I can prove that to you once you join TRI. So clearly this morning was a place to get in, and the power of direction was saying so too. So I have here a line going up, which means the market is not going lower. I have here one going down, which gives me a wedge. I have a target. Once the market broke through this area here, you would expect the market to go as high from here up as it did the distance from this bottom here to here. If you don't understand how to measure these, then we more than glad will show you. Did the market hit that area? It sure did. Just imagine the kind of money you can have the market give you once you really understand how the market moves systematically. Imagine the kind of money you can have. Imagine the kind of money that you can make once you really understand how the market moves systematically. You see, the market doesn't just go from here to here, or from here to here, or from here to here, and then from here to here without letting you know. The market actually tells us way in advance. That's why we keep talking about precognitive vision or precognitive ability. Recognizing that the market would tell us what it's going to do before it does. After all, why not? What is the market? The market is people like you and I doing our very best to create the money that goes, the money that in turn gets us the things we want. A lot of people think they want money. We don't really want money. We want the things that money can buy. We want the experiences that money can give us through the things that we would purchase or the places we would go or the foods we would eat. When you join TRI, we will coach you for 12 months. You're not satisfied? We give you all your money back plus 10%. That's how confident we are. This does not mean it would take you 12 months to learn how to trade the Forex or to learn how to trade, for example, the TF or the ES. What this means is that you, within 3 months to 6 months, it depends on you. It's all up to you, the kind of commitment you would have. You will learn how to trade one instrument. From that instrument, and you become successful with it, then we show you how to work with more than one at the same time. Short term, long term. Plus, if you are the kind of person that can really be committed and enthusiastic about this and you can follow structure and you'll learn in 3 months, wonderful for you. Staying connected with a group of individuals that are so fantastic at this, so excited about this, it is also very important because you learned, so you fed yourself this information, and now you're going to keep feeding it, keeping you strong, keeping you committed, and keeping you doing what you're supposed to do following that structure. 12 months is plenty of time. We'd like to invite you to join TRI. This is the website, www.thirdrealm.info. If you are watching this video because someone shared this video with you, please contact that individual. If you are watching this video from YouTube, there is the website. If you are watching this video through our website, then right there on the left-hand side of the website, you will find a place, a contact page, a page for a 7-day free trial. take this opportunity. Talk to one of us. Thank you for listening. Shalom.